So now let's work on the accept request. So let me take this function, just like repetitive right now, okay? Everything is prepared for us. So this is going to be accept request handler. Okay, let me copy that. This is going to be accept request from the functions. And when we accept, all we want to do is just go to the friendship, and we're going to go to friends, and this is going to be true. That's the first thing. Okay, so now we are friends, and also going to go to the following. I'm following him also right now, so this is going to be true. We're going to go to the request sent, and this is going to be false, and also the request received, and this is going to be also false, like that. Okay, so I can take that and go to accept. So we're going to have the accept one, which is going to be in confirm. Okay, so respond confirm right here, like that, and just add it as a function. So now we can try that again. So refresh. So let's see if I accept him. Do we are going to be friends? Okay, this is a bit slow, it's just annoying. Okay, so I'm gonna go respond and then confirm. And as you see, when we confirm, now we are friends, and I'm also following. And as you see, now the message turns blue. So that means, you know, I can, you know, send him a message as a friend. So I'm also going to work on the size later because this is not looking the best. So now let me just refresh and see if we're going to save friends. Okay, so we save friends and found everything. Let me just see right here if we are actually friends. Okay, so right here also, now we are friends and I'm following and everything. So everything went fine. So I can go right now and work on like unfriend. So if I want to unfriend him, I want to take that. It's gonna be unfriend handler. Okay, this is gonna be unfriend. We are not friend anymore, so that means this is gonna be false. Okay, actually everything is gonna be false, like that. So I'm gonna go to the, where is it, which is the unfriend button. Where is the menu? Okay, so this one, which is unfriend right here. On play, on click. So it's gonna be unfriend handler. Okay, let me go back right here. So now let me try and unfriend. Okay, I can click on friends and then go to unfriend right here. Okay, so I click unfriend. Okay, and now we are not friend and I'm not following, and this is turns gray. That means you are not friend. Let me refresh and see. So as you see right here, we're not friends as usual. Let me go and refresh this also. So everything is fine right here also, so that works fine. If that's any problem, the last thing I want to do is like when I send a request, let me add friend and let me refresh right here. So I want, if I don't want to accept him, I can go to response and actually delete the request. So also the size of this should be moved, but we want to work that later. The most important, when I click delete, I want to remove him and I want to remove the request. So let's go back right here. Let me copy this function. This is going to be delete request handler, and this function is going to be delete request. Okay, from the user, this thing is going to say the same. Okay, and then we're going to go to the delete. Where is it? So this is confirmed, this is delete. Now click and simply right here just run the function. Okay, so let me try again. Go back right here and right here. Okay, so I can go and respond by deleting, and that's gonna remove the request. So okay, and just refresh here. So this is cancel request, should be okay. I don't know why it changed. So now let me delete. Okay, so when I delete, that means we are no longer having the request. So let me refresh. So this is gonna say add friend, and right here should go back to add friend. And like that, let me try this again because I don't know. So let me see this. So I go and delete. Okay, go back right here and it's gonna go back to add friend. Okay, so now let's see like we are friends. So let me add friend and let me go right here and then accept him. So now I'm gonna go follow him again and then we can friends. Okay, refresh. So we're both friends. I want to just check a few things. So if for example I want to unfollow him, okay, let me refresh. So I've unfollowed him. Now let's see, I want to follow him again. I want to refresh. Okay, so it doesn't change. When I follow, it doesn't change. Let me go back to the user, the functions. So we probably have some errors in the backend. So let me just go right here. When you're trying to follow, then console log what we get so we understand what we're doing before we return. Console log the data, and also we console log if we have any errors. Okay, go back right here. Let me open the console and let me like try again. So follow. Okay, so I have an error. So it says already following. Okay, that means if we go back to the controllers and then the user and then the follow, which is this one, okay, we get this already following. That means something, this is not, you know, valid. Okay, so you're gonna go to the receiver, which is the one that I want to follow. I'm gonna make sure I'm not in his followers and I'm also not following him. Okay, so this is like seems legit. So the problem may be in the unfollow that created a problem. So right here, go to the receiver and check that I'm already in his followers. Okay, if I want to unfollow him, and also in the follow, so that's fine. So we're just gonna go to the receiver and then not push, this should be pull. We're not gonna add, we're gonna pull it. Okay, so that was the problem. Okay, yeah, that was the problem. So I feel like this is now gonna work. So let me go back. But the problem is already being created by the, you know, with this. And let me first of all, let me wait, this is tell it refreshes. Connection is very low, it's very poor. Okay, let me get fresh again. Maybe we have a problem. Okay, so now we got it. It took a bit of time. Okay, so now let's try and actually remove him from the friends and friend. So we reset everything. Okay, so now we have everything fine. Now let me try this again. So I'm gonna go and follow him. Okay, and now I can refresh and I am following. I click unfollow and now I am unfollowing. Let me just add friend and accept and do the same thing we've done before. So I can respond and confirm. So now we're both friends. Okay, so now friends, I can unfollow and then refresh. Okay, so it's still gonna be unfollowing and I get the follow. Now if I click follow and refresh, it's gonna say following. I'm 100% sure. Okay, so as you see, now it's fixed. So that was a problem. And also we have this. So we need to have the key for, where is it? Method of friends. Let me just see. So everything is fine right here. So let me just go and see what's the problem. It says in the friends. Okay, see, we map through it, but we didn't add the key. Okay, like that. And let me add the key. So let me get the index right here and then add it as a key like that. Okay, so now let me go back here and refresh, see if we're gonna get any problem. Make sure you remove all the console logs, they are annoying. Okay, so now everything is fine. So I feel like we've done everything to the functions. Now it's gonna go, we're gonna have a few things. First of all, I'm gonna fix the style issues, and also we're gonna make sure that we show the friend list. Okay, in the friends, this is not gonna be one photo, this is gonna be one friend. Okay, as you see right here, we have one friend, and then we're gonna show the list of the friends there. Okay,